Hi, welcome to my channel. I've lost 180 pounds with keto, carnivore, and counting calories. Don't forget to check the description to this video. I have links to some of my popular videos, a link to my Amazon account for a lot of things that you all ask about. Don't forget I have a bunch of playlists on the home page of this channel. Thank you. Hey, really quick, let's start off. We're pulling our Saturday food forward, Sunday food over, Monday food over. And we got to pull out, it's very cramped in here, 2 of these. This is our Tuesday food. We just stick them right in there. So by the time Tuesday comes around, it will be in this slot. And then I grab something, green beans. Okay, so that's how I rotate it. And then let's go over here. I'll show you what I pulled out today. So I just grabbed 2 meats from the freezer. I never know what they are, so I'm always as surprised as you all are when I open it. So this is our side dish. It looks like that is some kind of fried rutabaga. That's fine. And then looks like we have steak. Oh no, that's the remember whenever I did the beef roast and it was really raw looking? It's that one. And then that is steak. So, either one. I'll leave the raw one I'll take this one to lunch. Hold on. Okay, so to get started, I have 30 grams of frozen avocado. Going to add my usual everything bagel seasoning to it. Just put some of that in right in there. And tomorrow I'll mix it up. I like that with my breakfast. And then Leslie's Adventures and we've been talking in the comments. I was wondering if I could shake up the eggs. And she said she does. So I'm just going to, instead of having to use a fork, I'm just going to try it. She said try it the night before. Because I was worried it would cling to the lid and then not cook well. So I'm doing it now. So in case I forget tomorrow morning. So I'll have that and my cheese wedge. And and my sausage. So that's all together going to be my breakfast tomorrow. So then for my lunch, I have, this is the, that steak, that roast that I made. Well, I'm still going to, there was some seasoning, but I remember I didn't think it was very seasoned. So I'm going to add some total seasoning. And some paprika. I bet you thought I was going to say Greek seasoning. Not tonight. I'm going to add some roasted garlic. I'm going to leave the Greek seasoning off. I'll put that on my salad. Ha ha. So there's our main meat, our main portion. Let's throw that back there. Let's get over to our salad that we made. We made up 5 of these on Saturday. So that means this one is Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So it's officially 5 days old now. And that's how it's looking. That's cabbage. It's still crispy. The rutabaga, that's still good. And the onions still look fine. I'm going to add in a little bit of Greek seasoning. To add in some everything bagel seasoning. Does anybody else like the texture of sesame seeds and poppy seeds? This is so weird, but I like it when it gets between, like kind of caught between my teeth after I'm done eating. I like to pick it out and then eat it. I like chomping in between my 2 front teeth. I don't know. I just do. Yeah, that's all we're going to put on there. Because I don't remember what all I put on there. So I better not get carried away. I've got some of these bell peppers. Well, great job cutting this one up, Terri. Look. Bloop, bloop, bloop. That's funny. All right. Some pickles here. These are my bread and butter pickles. well, my bread and butter vegetables. Some of it's cucumber, some of it's onions. It's a big old hodgepodge down in there. And I don't know that I'll get this lid on. I might fight it. By the way, I looked at my lid today. There is an issue with my lid. So I'm blaming that on why it did not fit very well on my salad. Now, I'm going to put some of this bread and butter juice on my salad because it's delicious. Just kind of brightens up the veggies. Okay, done with that. Got my dressing and my coffee, and that will be that. So I got my Betty scale. I call it Betty scale because it came from Betty. Now, this dressing, it's a combination of like 3 different G-Hughes things, and it's watered down. So I always add water to my dressings because I like them thin. So I'm going to do 60 grams because in reality that will be 30 grams of the stuff. 45, 59. There we go. I'd rather be 61 than 59. Come on. See? Yeah, it was totally the lid last night. That was the problem. It was absolutely not that it was too full. Trust me. All right, let's get it in my lunchbox. Good job, puppy dog. I have my salad. I put a sticker in here. It says, Leslie's Adventure. Shake eggs before microwaving. So, Leslie, that's my reminder. Got my apple for my lunch. Where'd my meat go? Oh, got my steak right here. Got my eggs and my pork, ground pork. I'm going to put my little note in here so I don't forget to shake them. I'll shake it again before I get there. Now, getting my spoon in here. And we got our coffee. This is my last coffee. I really should make some up tonight for Saturday, Terry, but yeah, I'm just not feeling it. So Saturday Terry is on her own. This is a poor example of looking out for your future self. I just don't want to do it. And Saturday morning, Terry is just going to have to live with it. She can make her own. Okay, fine. I'll make some. But you ain't got to watch me. I'm just going to make this 12 pot of coffee, and I put it into three of these. And then I add some chocolate electrolytes to it. And then in the morning, I'll add some my Torani sugar-free syrup. So there we go. That's my breakfast and lunch tomorrow and my coffee. And I'll see you in the morning. Okay, so Leslie, I tried it. And like you and I were talking about and shaking it. It doesn't work because it would on a good container. But these little cheapy containers, they're not really sealed. So I shook it up. And then this morning when I opened it up to add in the stuff, it was all running out and then getting all out on the outside. So, but that's good for us to know. So if you use these containers, if you shake it, only cook it till the end. So don't do it, don't cook it and then open it up when there's still some liquid inside. So, but that's right. We learned a lesson. So, it's avocado. And then this is my eggs, cheese, and ground pork. So it's still a little on the warm side as usual. Look what I bought. Yeah, I was at Walmart last night and there was a group there. I hope they're legit. I gotta look them up. But it's called Project Hope. And it's for like for substance use is my understanding. And so they come to Walmart and they set up a tent. Last time, remember when I bought those 2 shirts at Walmart? And this is the same people. So it just says, good day start with coffee and Jesus. So I got this there. And so anyway, I brought it to work to set back here. So, okay, I'll see you at lunchtime. Okay, it's lunchtime. I'm having my salad. We're going to make our salads again on Saturday. So what is it today? Oh, today's Sunday for you. I'll make some salads on Saturday. This time, I bought the shredded cabbage. It takes up less space. So, anyway, so I'll make up some salads again. And I have my steak. I don't remember what seasonings I used, but I'm sure it'll be good. Good job, Terry. You done good. And an apple. And I'm drinking one of these. I have 2 more left. That's the ones that a coworker gave me. So, okay, bye. I'll see you at supper. Hey, I'm home. So let's see what we got down below. Hold on. Okay, so we got have our steak bites. Well, just steak cut up. And some rutabaga. I don't know how I did it. It's thinly sliced. Looks like, oh, you know, this might have been whenever I did it kind of like a au gratin kind of thing. So I'm going to get this microwaved, then I'll be right back. Yeah. All right, so I cooked it. I did this for 1 minute. I'm going to add some maple brown barbecue sauce. Maple brown flavored. It's G. Hughes. It's thick, and you know that I really want to thin it out, but that's all right. I really want to thin it out. I should have weighed it, but I got my fruit on there. You can be kind of generous with some of the sauces. It's only 10 calories. All right, I'm going to put this back on it. But I weighed my fruit out. I'm doing better. I'm weighing it out. I'm forcing myself. All right, let me put this in. Hang on. Are you ready? Are you ready? One day, love will find you. Break those chains that bind you. One day, I'll still find you. We touched our ways, our separate ways. If he ever hurts you, true love won't desert you. You know I still love you. How we went our ways, our separate ways. And that's what it's all about. Now let's get here to eating. Hang on. So I put that barbecue sauce on here. Let's also add some of this rub. This wood fire garlic smoked flavor. And then we're also going to use some, salt. Because you know I'm all about, that salt. No, yes, pepper too, but, oh, Terry, I grabbed salt and I meant to get the smoked salt. Y'all done got me distracted. And you need to straighten up and fly right. You quit acting up over there. You hear me? You right there. That's who I'm talking to. You straighten up and you straighten up and you. I know. I already know about you. I got my eyes on you. I got my eyes on you, so you really better straighten up back there. All right, now we got our smoked salt. Now this thing's going to be so salty, I'm going to be like, bleh. That's all right. That's all right. One day, love will find you. Break those chains that bind you. Some, I will find you. How we touched our ways, our separate ways. If he ever hurts you. Listen, you know what? These stupid paper towels, they just get bigger and bigger and bigger, and they don't even fit on my daily anymore. Do y'all have that problem? Look how big this thing is. Or look how little this is supposed to be. All right? Right there is where it should go. Now let me just show you. I put this on here. That is about that much too much. Look. That much. And that's up there. That's the other side. That's how much I've done been using it. And I got it out since this weekend. Are y'all about tired of these really big things? I mean, I like the fact that they're really big, but they don't fit on the thing, so you got to buy a new thing. I guess I'm going to have to go buy a new thing for these stupid paper towels. And I like the double roll. I just wanted a plain, simple thing of paper towels, but no, not my Walmart. My Walmart says go big or go home. Well, I went home, but I did find some double ones. We're going to add some of these pickled red onions because I still have some. So I'm going to put them off kind of to the side here. Put a little bit in there. Okay. And we're also going to add a little bit of these roasted red bell peppers. And see, if I had some gumption, I would saute up some onions and pepper. Because y'all know, you know that would be yum, yum. Get you some. All right, so let's try this stuff out. Hang on. All right, let's see if we're going to gag. Ooh, there's smoke coming off. You know I'm going to do it anyway. That's good. I already put it away. Good barbecue sauce. Gina, you know what's up, girl. You knew what would be good. Now, let's try this au gratin. My au gratin rutabaga. You know it's going to be good. You know, rutabaga, anything's going to be good. Put hair on my chest. Because I don't have enough on my chinny chin chin, so I need a little more hair on my chest. Whee! Alright. That's good. And then, I'm downsizing my fruit. I'm doing it. I'm doing better. So, I'm getting my fruit in check. I don't have to get everything in check. But, you know, sometimes you just need to kind of like, alright, I've gotten a little out of control with this. So let's rein this back in. And then that can kind of help get you in a better mindset. So I'm reining my fruit in. Get myself back in check just there first. And then I can see what else I need to get myself in check for. All right. Check it out. I'll see you tomorrow. Ooh, tomorrow's Saturday. Whoop, 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 whoop. We're going to have some meal prep and stuff. So today, so today is your Sunday. So you're going to see whatever video I upload from Saturday. Okay, bye.